Okay, I am now about to show you one of the most profound ideas in all of programming. If you get this, your life will be this much easier for the next 30 years. Okay? It's not that hard. It's just an unfortunate accident that some programming languages make it look hard. So it has a bad reputation. Okay? You've done this before in lots of other contexts. You just haven't done it in programming. Okay? So please, it'll look a little bit odd at first sight, but I want you all to go, oh, okay, why is he making a big deal about this? All right? Here's the problem. All positives finds me all the positive numbers in that list and gives them back to me. Question. How do I write a function all negatives? Let me show you the wrong way. I do this. Let me get rid of all my test cases. Can't believe I just said that. Okay. I copied all positives to create all negatives, gave it a different name, changed the greater than sign to a less than sign. Green card if you think this will work. Red card if you think it won't. Please. Okay, why the red card? I mean, it's got a different name, and that's a less than.
I would have thought it needs to be less than or equal to, but bigger than that.
Well, if we've decided that positive is strictly greater than 0,
okay,
then I'm pretty sure that negative is strictly less. If positive was greater than equal, then negative would be less than equal. Okay?
yeah.
But I can change that. Okay? Anybody else think that this one is just broken? Why?
You assume result, you assume file. You return two values with the same result.
That's okay. This is a local variable inside this function. It only exists within the body of this function. So it's created when we call it, and the name is evaporated when we return. So that won't be a problem. I think this is correct. Okay? I think it does the right thing, and it is bad programming. Because let's have a look. Let's have a look at our signal-to-noise ratio. And I'm going to cheat and let the shell do this for me. Okay, this function is 129 characters long. Okay? Counting the carriage returns at the end of the line. So it's 129 characters. This function is also 129 characters long. It differs in one character in its implementation. Right? I mean, obviously the names are different. I get that. But inside the body, it differs in one character out of 100 odd. Okay? Why do I have all of this redundancy? This is almost the same as that. Why am I repeating myself? Repeated code is bad code. As soon as you repeat something, it'll eventually be broken in one place or the other. Okay? It's also harder to read. If you read this, you then have to read this very carefully to say, is it actually doing the same thing except the less than and greater than signs? Or is there some subtle difference? Without reading them carefully, you cannot be sure that they're doing the same thing except for that. You have to check it line by line, word by word.